What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be going over lamination errors. So as you can see, this quarter and this dime, they look a little different than what we're used to seeing. And that is because they have a lamination error. If you just look over the coin, you can tell something is off. So what you want to do when you see one of these coins is you want to immediately weigh it. So let's go ahead and weigh the quarter. Okay, guys, so for this specific year, the quarter is supposed to weigh 5.67 grams. And oftentimes, it can range between 5.5 to 5.7 grams. But this right here weighs 5.3. So automatically, you know something is off. So this would definitely be something you want to keep. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a bunch of different lamination error coins online and what they are selling for. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check your coins. If you ever see something off or different about your coin, make sure you keep it until you can find out more info on it. Happy hunting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.